Hello students, I'm going to continue with the chapter air pressure. So in the last video I've discussed about the temperature, water vapor and the altitude factor. In this video I'm going to start with the factor rotation. Okay, so how rotation is responsible for the variation of the atmospheric pressure. Okay, so the speed of the rotation is greater or is higher at the equator. So as a result of that, the air that are present in the equatorial region or adjoining the equatorial region scattered out or move the equatorial region and the adjoining areas to the equatorial region. Over here the speed of the rotation is high. As a result of that, the air that is present in this portion spattered out or it's spattering, and the outflow of the same air occurs in this equatorial region. Okay, from this equatorial region the air moves towards the tropical region. Okay, thus we observe a low pressure center in the equatorial region throughout the year. The next point is distribution of land and sea. So we all know that the land gets heated up faster than the water body and also get cooled down faster than the water body. So during the time of the summer, what is happening over here is this differential heating of the land and water bodies causes the land to heat up faster, and as a result of that the air that is present above this region or above this land region also get heated up faster. As the air gets heated up, the air expands and rises up, creating a low pressured zone and a comparatively high pressure zone is found over the water bodies or the cooler seas, and in the time of the winter this case reversed, whereas we get the water bodies in the water bodies are more warmer and the land bodies are more cooler, and as a result of that during the winter time the land in the land the high pressure is exerted, and in the sea the low pressure is present. The last point that we have is the Earth's gravity. Okay, so the places which are lying closer to the Earth's center experiences a high pressure due to the gravitational attraction of the Earth. As a result of that, it has been seen that in the polar region or in the polar zone, the high pressure is found, and in the equatorial region low pressure is found. And what is the reason behind this the pressure difference between the high pressure and the low pressure? The reason is that the equatorial region is said to be it's actually is taken as the central portion of the earth, and as I have said earlier that the earth's central portion are the places which lying near to the earth experiences the high pressure, and the region so the polar region actually experiences the high pressure due to the earth's gravitational pull, and in comparison to the equatorial region. So this is the end of this video. I'll continue with the next of the portion in the next video. Thank you everyone.